My tools out. I'm gonna show you how to change stabilizer length, which is 270 mil. It's a very easy swap and they're very cheap. They're like 15 quid per one. Already got one in the other side, which I've done in the previous video, shock absorber changing video, and this video is just going to be for this one. So the first thing, as usual, you need this, you need this, you need this, and you need this. This is very, very important. Put it there. Boom. You sat down. You are comfortable. You can do some stuff now. Take the cover out. Poke it. Yeah. And lift it. Not all the way. Now unscrew the screws. There's too much pressure on them yet. Going. Now I need to release it. This is not strong enough to do the bolts. This is my friend's. I borrow it for stuff like this. But when I'm gonna buy a bit stronger one, so it will do the bolts, the wheel nuts easily. Okay. I can't remember this, like this one is like 490 or something, 500 Newton meters. It breaks that. And the one I'm looking at will be nearly 2000 brake Newton meter. Okay, so wheel underneath the car. There's the linkage there. You can see same 19 mil, 17 mil. Okay, the other side in there. Released itself. Now you need to take the pressure off of this. Let's unscrew this first. Doesn't want to go, so I'll do a little bit of WD-40 and it'll go. Where's my WD-40 there? This, you will know if you need to change those stabilizer lengths, because every pothole you hit, it's very annoying. Come on. He wants to go, but he doesn't want to go. There we go. It's off. We got some new ones. Okay, so you can see that the pressure is too great for me to pull it out. I can bang it out, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna take the pressure off with this, and then it's a easy swap. And there, you just put it under. And here under the brake disc, and you just lift it. Oop. See? That's how easy it is. This is probably good, but since I bought the other one, I bought two. There you go, one in there and one in here. Lift a little bit more and it'll fall into a hole. Okay. Now let's put it on. And on the other side, it has like a locking nut so it doesn't unscrew. Now you take this out. So now I just screw it in. That side and done. That's how easy it was. Take this out, take this out. Wheel back on. Same 17 head. That's it. Done. That's how easy it is to change the stabilizer link. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.